I am Lily Diane Germanovich. I'm here at Michel et Augustin. Welcome. Michel and Augustin is a French food company that makes delicious things, not only in France, but our first US innovation is a triple chocolate cookie square. And basically, that is what you're gonna learn to make today. A triple chocolate tart. And I know that sounds super intimidating, and I'm gonna show you that everybody can do it. Okay, so first thing we need to do is make the tart dough. We have 5 ingredients from the kitchen. We're gonna throw in a little something here, a little something special. We have flour, all-purpose flour. And what I've done so that we can make this as chocolatey as possible is taken out 10 grams of our flour and added 10 grams of cocoa powder. Just mix that up nicely. And now we're gonna put in a pinch of salt. And just mix that in. Step 2 is we're gonna put all this beautiful butter in with our sugar. And you can use a spoon, but honestly, get in there with your hands because this is gonna allow you to really cream your butter and sugar together. All right, it's all one piece. We're gonna leave this in here, put in our egg, and mix it around. Okay, looks like scrambled eggs, am I right? All right. We're gonna put this directly on my baking surface and we're gonna make what we call a nest. And what's gonna go in our nest but the wet ingredients. This is a way of kind of gradually mixing dry and wet ingredients together. You want to make it a little bit flat so that it cools evenly. You're going to stick this in some saran wrap so it doesn't dry out. Pop it in the fridge. So here we go. So what we're going to do is put some flour on our surface, and you can also do it on your rolling pin. We've got our dough. This is still quite cold, but we can start working it a little bit. And I'm going to very carefully roll this onto here. And I'm gonna very carefully roll it back over my tart ring. Carefully kind of edge it in. I wanna get rid of all the excess dough, right? I'm gonna go back to my rolling pin and I'm gonna roll it over top of the tart ring. And what that's gonna do is cut away a lot of the extra. And now I'm gonna take one of these nice little extra pieces to patch it in over here. So all is not lost if it's not perfect on the bottom. And the last thing we're gonna do is dot. So you're gonna make little holes, but basically it'll make it so that it doesn't rise too much. I'm just gonna pop it in like this. There are many different schools of ganache of different proportions between cream and chocolate. What we do is 1-to-1. So you want to use heavy whipping cream, and we're going to warm it up a little bit. We don't want it boiling, so we're going to put it on a nice simmer. And all we're going to do is add this nice hot cream to our chocolate. And magic is going to happen. We do not want bubbles in this, so I'm going to do really tiny movements in the center for the beginning. Kind of tie-dye-y. Oh my God, here it is. It's happening. Feeling pretty excited about this ganache. I think we're ready. So you've got your tart shell is ready. It should have separated from the side. What you can do to clean up the sides is take a carrot peeler and just do a little evening out of these edges. So we've got our ganache and we are going to put it in our tart shell. And get it nice and even. The last step we're gonna do to make this as close to our triple chocolate cookies that we make in France is we're gonna add some cocoa nibs. We can put them over like this. So it should give the ganache a little time to set. I'd say an hour minimum, and enjoy. Bon appétit.